So when looking for like terms, we must have the same variables and the same exponents on those variables. So if we're looking for a like term with negative 9 x to the 5th y to the 4th, we must have the x to the 5th y to the 4th. The only thing that can differ is this coefficient out in front. So if we look at our choices, A, we know cannot be a like term because it does not have the variables of x to the 5th, y to the 4th. So A is automatically out. Now let's look at B. We have the same variables of x and y. However, if you look closely, you need to have the same exponents on the corresponding same variable. And these got flipped around, so therefore they are not the same exponents on the same variables, so that cannot be a like base. Moving down to C, again they have the same variables of x and y, but it does not have the same exponent on those variables, so that cannot be an answer. Now when we look at D, we have the same variables and we have the same exponents on the variables of x to the 5th and y to the 4th. And even though we have 118 out in front, it doesn't matter what the coefficient is as long as the variables and exponents are the same. So we know D is a possibility. And just to double check to make sure we have the right answer, we want to check our last possibility, and we have x to the 5th and y to the 2nd. Again, we have the same variables. However, this y to the 2nd does not match the y to the 4th in the original term. So we know E is not an answer that works with this like term. So we know that 118 x to the 5th, y to the 4th is the like term with negative 9 x to the 5th, y to the 4th.